everyone and welcome to today's video. So this is a SpaceNK haul. I fancied a few bits and I love SpaceNK. I love that you get samples as well. So you always get to choose 2 samples, which is brilliant. I'm all about that because that's the only way you can try things. So yeah, I've picked up a few bits that I really am excited to try. So I will show you. The 2 samples I got were the microfoliant from Dermalogica and the By Terry CC cream, which CC serum, which they emailed to say that will be coming in a separate package. Oh, if he sees that man over there, he's gonna start barking. This is like creeping through the bushes. Bertie doesn't like that. He's growling at my duster. Anyway, they're gonna send this other one in a separate package. I mean, really? I hope they don't just send it in one big box. Anyway, let's get started. I ordered another bottle of... Yeah, I thought so. What is with this box? The Living Proof Good Hair Day. This is amazing. This smells amazing. It doesn't leave a white cast on your hair, and it literally keeps my hair clean for the next 3 days. Like, amazing. Because I wash my hair even less when it's blonde. And this just refreshes it, and I love it. Then I picked up a small bottle of the Oribe Bright Blonde Shampoo, because my lovely friend Lauren recommended several shampoos. She said this was really, really good. I've never tried anything from this brand. I read up the reviews on this, and it's called the Bright Blonde Shampoo for Beautiful Colour. So that's what I want. I don't want it to make my hair dark. I want it to take out the brassiness but brighten the blonde. So I thought I'd get a small one first just to see how I like it, rather than, because it's £45 for a big one, and I thought, let's see if I like it. If it's amazing and it does the job, excellent, I'll get it. And plus I only use it once a week, so we shall try. I opened it up and it smells amazing. So purple shampoo. Then I picked up, I've been wanting to try this because this has been everywhere. This is the Violette Ultra... Bertie, oh my god, oh Bobby, he's looking at himself in the mirror. Hi Papa. He's growling at himself in the mirror. Oh my god, you have to look. He's stepped away from it now. Yes, so it's the Ultra Violet SPF 50 Supreme Sunscreen. Now this has got, you know when you go on a website and it says 48 people have bought this already, and you're like, oh my god. But I've heard a lot about this, and you know I'm picky with my sunscreens, but I don't know, something's breaking me out horrifically again, and I don't know what it is. You know when you get those breakouts and you know it's a product doing it. So I don't know, and sometimes you'll use something and it'll stop working. So this is the Supreme Screen Hydrating Facial Sunscreen, UVA, UVB Broad Spectrum. For everyday use, we mean it. Apply lotion directly to your face as the final step of your skincare regime. And it's supposed to be really good under makeup. So that is very exciting. I really want to show you him in the mirror, but he's... Yeah. So that's really exciting. So I wanted to try that. It's got a nice little pump. Looks quite nice. Oh, it's Australian. From Australia. Well, Jane, have you heard of this? Right, SPF 50. So I'm going to use this tomorrow and see what I think. I also, because I cannot resist an SPF lip balm. So I've seen that they've got from the same brand. I love the packaging. Sheen Hydrating Lip Balm, very high protection, SPF 50, Dusk. Because you know, if you're going to be like laying poolside, hopefully I'm going to, go by the pool in my parents' garden and I can have like something SPF on my lips. But they've got different colours. But look at this colour. Dusk. The colour is Dusk. Oh my gosh. And you know, I love this kind of colour. Oh, look. Let's see how this looks. Oh. They've got really bright... Oh! Everything falls out of my hand. Everything. That's what it looks like. Let's put it on lips. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not got as strong a colour as I thought. But it's SPF 50, so that's really good. I'm going to be really excited to use these two in the garden, because it's going to be apparently 30 degrees this week. Ooh! Again, I'm in a sweatshirt. I've literally screenshotted somebody who's wearing denim shorts and a linen shirt, and I'm like, yeah, those are the kind of shorts. You know, the kind of like boy shorts, baggy shorts. And that's like the kind of outfit that I kind of want to wear. So every time I see someone wearing something that I could possibly wear, I screenshot it. I mean, I saw this lady, I went for a coffee this morning, and she must have been in her mid 50s, but she looked fantastic in her like gym gear. And I was just like, wow. You know, I wouldn't even go out in a vest. And I just wanted to say, oh my God, you look phenom. So yeah, I've got to, you know, anyway, I digress. So yeah, this is nice. I'm going to wear this, you know, in the sunshine. Also on my walks as well. It's nice to have something protective on the lips. It's really nice. They've got really bright colours as well, but I just, you know, I love that colour. So yeah. Then I bought a blush, because I saw the colour of this and I thought, oh my God, it's gorgeous. I've not tried the Laura Mercier. These are the Colour Fusion blushes. A sheer buildable blush that delivers 10 hours of natural looking cheek colour. Now, the shade is called Chai. And it is a beautiful colour. Look at that. Oh, isn't that just like, who else is kind of like, you know, when something has got a nice name, you know? Dusk, Chai, yeah. So this is, I'm gonna do a, you know, a look with these new bits and bobs. That is so nice, isn't it? Laura Mercier, gorge. Then I picked up another Laura Mercier, a lip pencil. Now this is a really popular colour. It's called Hazelnut Tea, and it's always sold out. But the name alone gets me. I told you, hazelnut and tea, like two of my favourite things in the world. So I was like, I'm sorry, I've got to have that. And then I was looking at it. It was in my basket. And it was like, oh, this has been sold 10 times in the last hour. And I'm like, oh my goodness, because it was sold out. I thought, I need to buy it straight away. They've updated their pencils. Look at that. It looks really nice. I've never used a Laura Mercier lip pencil before. And I swatched this, and I will tell you what it reminds me of. This is the shade. Isn't that beautiful? It instantly reminded me of Boldly Bare by MAC, which is one of my favourite lip glosses of all time. And let's have a look. Well, very similar, slightly darker. But I love Boldly Bare. And Hazelnut Tea is going to be gorgeous. I don't know what I'm going to wear it with. We'll see. We'll see. I'll do a makeup tomorrow and we'll see. But really happy with that. And the last thing I bought was an eyeliner. I've been eyeing this for ages. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl. And it's in the shade Velvet Violet. Because I thought, you know, I'd quite like to have... I love a purple. You know, I love a purple. So this is the shade. I'm going to put it here. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Iconic liquid eye pencil. That's this, look at that. See, it's that kind of really dark shade. And I love, because you know I wear pinky colours on my eyes. This is going to look really, really nice just along the lash line. So, yes, there we go. That's my little haul from SpaceNK. I'm so excited about it. I am most excited about this. I'm really, really, really excited about this. So many people are using this, and I was like, oh, I'm not going to be swayed, but how can you not be? Look at the packaging of this. God, I love neon. So I will keep you updated on this, and I'll tell you whether I like it better than my beloved HelioCare. But, you know, this happens. Sometimes products just don't work. They work for a while and then they stop. So, you know. So there we go. That's my haulage. A little bit of a different video for you today, because it's nice to share what you've bought, isn't it? I think so. I haven't bought stuff for a while, but, you know, I'm in the buying mood. I hope you're well, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.